Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Yet another day, another vlog. Two things I have to do today, or I may do today. एक camping है office people colleague के साथ और एक दूसरा एक band है in Hard Rock Cafe. So I'm doubtful where I'm going. कहाँ जाने वाला हूँ मैं? थोड़े टाइम में पता चलेगा. Now the time is 1:23 and if I want to camp we have to leave around 3. If that is canned, then the band thing is already there. Alright then, decided camping. I'm going camping today to Vandri Lake. Now this 3 people, 5 जन थे. Starting में plan वन बनाया 5 जन का. 2 जन टांग में अभी 3 जन ने manage कर लिए. वैसे भी we've done camping with 2 people also. So before that I need to change. All ready? Okay, it's 4:30 now. I'm leaving for Vandri Lake. They are reaching Thakur Mall at Thakur Mall जो highway है चेकना के आगे. They're coming inside, coming to D-Mart and then from there we'll proceed further. चाय वाय पी ले अभी निकल रहे चलो. पहुँच गए भाई लोग पहुँच गए चलो रे निकलना है अब. It's like 5:15 and I don't know what time we'll reach now. Okay, we've reached 3 bikes and the campfire is down. I know you can't see. क्या sorted scene मिला अभी इधर. We've already made a campfire. Someone has come here. अरे वो जल भी जला भी रहा है. सही है, sorted है भाई. Let's meet अक्षय. ये भाई, hey hi बोल. ठीक है चलो जा अभी काम कर अभी से. This is Sachin. Say hi.
Hey, what's up?
And that's Smith. Smith.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, sorted है. So I'll see you in some time. So we have a friend here, Mr. Kalu. What's up? Chicken सूंघ गया है. So we इधर टंगा दिया चिकन को. Now I don't know what this guy will do. ये बन रहा है क्या? चिकन और क्या? चिकन है भाई चिकन है. तीन we are 3 people. We have more 3 people here. This one, there's another guy there and they were.
इन लोग भी 3 जने हैं.
Good morning people. So left the campsite, it was too dark to record there, so we've come here, the normal place where the sun rises. That's where the sun will rise. ओए मिस्टर डॉगीज चलो चलो भाई ऊपर. It's 6:54. 6:55 is the sunset time, sunrise time, but we will be leaving now. I'll see you on the road. I'll see you at home directly now. Important rule of camping: make sure you get all the trash out and find a dustbin to dispose it off. Mornings are getting chillier. Reached home 8 o'clock. I reached 7:45 and I got freshened up now. अच्छा था. It's a good experience with office people. Office आज भी work है, so now I'll sleep and then I'll get up, then I'll get ready and get back to work. I'll have chai now. Mom has made nice chai. मस्त अदरक वाला चाय पिएगा and then I'll crash. The video आएगा in some days. Maybe tomorrow. I'll put it up tomorrow. Okay. Till then, like, share, subscribe as usual. Comment what you like, what you don't like, any improvements, anything what you want me to show. I'll try my best to do that. I'll see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye video है. So I wanted that video anyhow.